This guide shows you how to remove Cortana from your Windows 10 system. Now, in the latest version of Windows 10 as of October 2020, which is Windows 10 version 2004 or 20H2, I believe, is the absolute latest that's come out this month, you can remove Cortana, which you couldn't do before. So here's how to do it. First of all, click on the Start button in the bottom left hand corner of your screen to get the Start menu up, and then type PowerShell, all one word and all in lowercase. Then after a few seconds, under Best Match, you should see Windows PowerShell appear. Move your mouse over it and then click the right mouse button, that's the button on the right hand side of the mouse as opposed to the left. Then you'll get this mini window appear where you'll see Run as Administrator. Move your mouse over Run as Administrator and left click. You will then get this message: do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Well, make sure it says Windows PowerShell and make sure the verified publisher is Microsoft Windows. If it is, then click yes. If it's not, then click no and do not proceed. Then you'll get this window appear saying Windows PowerShell. And all we need to do is we need to type in this command here, exactly as it's shown on screen. So that's capital G, E, T, minus capital A, PPX, capital P, A, C, K, A, G, E, space, minus all users, space, capital M, I, C, R, O, S, O, F, T, full stop, 549981 capital C 3 capital F 5 capital F 10 space, and then a dividing line and then another space and then capital R E M O V E minus capital A PPX capital P A C K A G E. Now I'll paste this into the description so that you can copy and paste it into PowerShell if you need to make it easier for you. All you do is you just copy from the description of the video below, and then when you go into PowerShell, wait for the prompt to come up and just click the right button, the button on the right hand side of the mouse, and this will appear in there. And all you need to do now is just press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard to action this command. So let's just do that. And there we go. It says Deployment Operation in Progress. And there we are. It's now actually been removed from the system. Now, if you wanted to get Cortana back at any time, then all we need to do is to go into the Microsoft Store and re-download it and reinstall it. So to do that, you just click on the Start button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, just type the word Store, and then hopefully you'll see under Best Match after a couple of seconds Microsoft Store. Left click on that and wait for the store to load. And once the store's loaded, click on the magnifying glass at the top right hand corner of the screen and just type in there Cortana. And you'll see there Cortana app. Click on Cortana app, okay, wait for the next page to load and then move your mouse over Install and click Install. It might ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. If it does, then all you need to do is move your mouse over the cross just up there in the top right hand corner of the screen, click it once, okay, and it will start downloading and installing anyway. As it's a free app, it won't necessarily need you to sign in. So as you can see, it's now installing Cortana. This might take a few minutes. There you go, it's now completed. So there you go, that showed you how to remove and reinstall Cortana on your Windows 10 system. As I say, I think this will only work in version 2004 upwards. Hope this guide helps, and thanks very much for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech, that's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.